ALIMECH. Do you hear squeaking noise when braking? It means brake pad need to be replaced soon. But if you hear grinding sound, you need to replace the brake pads immediately. Modern cars equipped with brake pad wearing sensor, and one of these warning lights come up on the dashboard. The sound coming from the front wheels, so you will jack up the front. But first, make sure the gear shifter on parking position, handbrake engaged, and block the rear tires. Impact gun will make the job very easy, but if you don't have one, use breaker bar to lose the lug nuts before jacking up the car. Now you will need to undo one 40mm slider pin to lift the brake caliper. Turn the wheel to make it easy. Next, we will push the brake piston back because the new brake pads are thicker. There is a special tool for doing that, but I use a flat screwdriver just like that, and it's way easier and way faster. Now we can easily lift the caliper up, removing the back pad. If you notice, there is an even wear, one side thinner than the other side. Whenever you see an even brake pad wear, it means the slider pin not working properly or jammed up. This pin will touch the rotor and make the squeaking sound, and lets you know that the pad needs to be replaced soon. Okay, before putting the new brake pads, let's clean the slider pins and apply silicone grease to get even brake pad wear and better brake performance. Slider pins should be cleaned up and silicone greased with every brake pad replacement. And don't forget the lower slider pin as well. Now it's working easily comparing than before. This is how it should be. Okay, I got my new gloves on so I don't contaminate the new brake pads. The pad with the pin goes to the back and this one to the front. Before putting the new brake pads, I will use anti-seize. It will make the pad slide easily in the slider. Also, helps with even brake pads wearing as well. Okay, we are almost done. Lower the caliper and put the slider pin back and tighten up. Straight the wheel back, check the rotor as well. If you feel an edge, you need to replace the rotor as well, or resurface it if it's higher than the safety range thickness. You can only machine resurface it if it's higher than the minimum thickness. You can find that number on any rotor, so check it before doing that. Putting the wheel back and hand screwing the lug nuts, and then torque it. My impact gun at the lowest setting, so it's not over tightening. I still have to torque it later. There is still one important thing we have to do. Turn the engine on and brake few times till you feel the brake pedal not going straight to the bottom. The reason brake pedal straight going to the bottom at the first time, we push the brake piston back so we can put the new brake pads in, and now there's a gap between the piston and the pad. After a few brakes, the car safe for driving, and remember, after brake pad replacing, the brake not 100%, it will need 100 to 500 miles driving depending on brake pad quality. Hope the video was helpful and gave you some information. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.